What's up, YouTube? Well, today I'm gonna be just sitting on the bench watching the tide. It's the thing I like to do. Well, I know it sounds a bit weird that I'm doing this, but I just like to. Well, on the channel I've been doing a few things. I know this channel's not that famous, but okay. My grandma's sitting and watching me. Yeah, I just love watching the tide. It's a nice thing to do.
Well, he's got his own channel on YouTube. That means that anybody who types in certain phrases into the YouTube search engine, cartoon videos will come up. Depending on what title he gives his video. If he doesn't give it a title, then no people won't get him the result.
Laying down.
No, he's standing up.
You know what? Well, watching the tide come in, it's just beautiful. I'm just saying, guys. Well, there's a nice Coast Guard over there. The Coast Guards here are really nice, so I'd like you to either. I'd like you to do either one or two things for me. Everybody who watches this channel and has subscribed. Well, first, I want you to come to clethorpes. And if any of you have a YouTube channel, sponsor this place, because I don't know how. And it's just nice. Sponsor lifeguards here. Sponsor everything. Sponsoring's nice. To get more people attracted. I mean, I know you're all like sitting near the sea, most of you anyway. And it's just nice to watch. And I want to tell you some history on World War I and II. See that little blocky fort over there? Well, that is apparently a World War I base or World War II. And apparently it apparently has guns on it. It used to have more than 100 soldiers, and I think it was to block German submarines from getting into the coast of Clethorpes, because I think there used to be a military base here. Probably. By the way, if you've ever gone to Clethorpes Thorpe Park, I know you'd probably mostly enjoy it. And I'm just saying, arcade machines there, no. Go on, if you have TripAdvisor, rate it low, because if you ever got on those faulty claw machines where you pay a pound to play like 4 goes on it, you grab one, and then when it hits the top thing, it just drops it because it wants to waste your money on it. And yeah, do that or never play claw machines again. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. So I'll see you later. Bye!